Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Violet Schuyber. Have you ever heard a meteorologist refer to the term bombogenesis? I know it's a long name, but it's really just a fancy term to explain a storm system that's rapidly intensifying. And I'll explain why. So first, let's talk about our weather system setup. Let's say we have an area of low pressure off the east coast with some warm ocean temperatures and some colder air over the land. As this system slides up the east coast, it's going to pull in this colder air to replace the rising warm air that's over the ocean. And because an area of low pressure rotates counterclockwise, it's going to pull in this air on the south end. And the large temperature gradient leads to rapid intensification in the center of this area of low pressure. And that's what leads to bombogenesis, which is actually defined as the central pressure dropping 24 millibars or more in 24 hours. So it's only in that specific category that it's labeled as bombogenesis. And this can happen at any time, but most likely from October to March. And it can result in very heavy precipitation and produce winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. It's basically almost like a hurricane, an intense system, but it's non-tropical. And this usually happens up by the Northeast. We see this happen very frequently up by the Northeast coast and even into Canada as well. So hopefully this clears up any information about this term, or if you've never heard of it, maybe you can pass it along to someone you know.